Okay guys, so I have made a previous video, I'll leave the link below, on a review on how this worked out, this product, the Curl Unleash product. And I had said that it didn't really give me lots of moisture, but it did give me a lot of curl definition. So I kind of wanted to play around using a product that has moisture plus this to see if it actually combines. The product that I normally use as a starting for my hair is like almost out, and I've literally been looking for it for a week or for 2-3 weeks, and like CVS, all the Walgreens that I've gone to have nothing. They don't have it, and I don't get it. And the one that I'm talking about is this product, the Curl Moisturizing Souffle by Naturale. So I need a substitute for this because it's really pretty much gone. I bought this, which is from the same line, and I'm gonna try it out today. So it's gonna be a review basically, and a mixture of if this and this work well together. So this is an All Naturale Moisture L.O.C. Lock. It's a lock it and sealing cream recipe for continuous moisture. So this is specifically to moisturize your hair. So it says thirsty dehydrated hair, which I would say mine is. It's inspired by the lock method. And if you guys don't know what the lock method is, so L stands for liquid, where you put liquid in your hair, like a more liquidy type of product. The O stands for oil. Some people use coconut oil, some people use jojoba oil, whatever you want to use. And the C stands for cream, so then you go on top of it with the cream. So this is what that stands for, L.O.C. Oh, also guys, so my hair, you guys can see it has no product right now because I just finished deep conditioning it for like 30 minutes with the Aztec clay mask mixing with my favorite deep conditioner. I actually have a video on that, so I can put it down below, and my hair looks crazy moisturized. If you can bring moisture to the front of my hair, you got an A+ for me. We'll try this and we'll see how it goes. This smells so good. Oh my goodness. off the bat, when that thing says moisture, it means moisture. Like, I can feel that my hair, like, this product is really good. It really delivers on what it says right now. We'll see what happens when it dries. And it worked pretty well in combination with the Curls Unleashed. But again, we'll see how it looks like when it dries, because I feel like that's what it's important, because that's what I want to look good. The smell is very strong, not in like a old lady type perfume smell. It's a very tropical smell, but it's just like very strong. Like you dipped into it, went in for a swim for like 30 minutes, like that type of thing, which is kind of good too, because you know when it dries, the smell will still be there. And maybe even if you walk by, you just do this and all they get is a whiff of tropicalness. So it's not that bad. But again, we'll see what happens when it dries. So I'll see y'all in a bit.
They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic.
Hair's a little wet, still kind of moist in the back, so it hasn't like fully dried in the back, but overall everything's pretty dry. So that's why I'm touching it. I normally don't touch my hair unless it's fully dry, because then I just don't like it. It's a mess. I want to have the full result and then break the mask that was created by the conditioner or whatever I put in my hair, so then it could be like, you know.
One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic.
So about 5-6 hours have passed since I did my hair, and as you guys saw, like, and maybe you guys can see even now, my hair is very, very shiny, very, very moisturized, soft, defined. What more can I ask for, really? So like everything is very, very, very like tight. It's not like crazy down, because that tends to happen when I do my hair, and like I have to touch it a whole bunch so I can actually have some, even a little bit of volume. But even now it's like bouncy, you know. It has a lot of shine to it. The only thing right here in the front, you guys can kind of see the a little bit was left of it, and it's fully dry, and it's really, you know, you can see everything, you know, which is awesome, because that's really what I'm looking for. I just don't like that it left a little bit of a cast, I think that's what it's called. Left a bit of residue on it that you can actually see. That's the only thing, but it really did like moisturize, especially this side. I mean, this portion of my hair, which is like my trouble spot. So that's really cool. Though if only it didn't like leave these specks of white on it, that would be awesome. Overall, I think it was a success. If I were to rate this product, I am gonna rate this product, I would give it a 5, maybe a 4.8, but that's just me being critical. I would give it a 5 overall, because it did what it said. It gave me so much moisture, gave me shine, definition. But I'm gonna chalk up the definition on the other product. I'm gonna chalk up the definition to be because of this product, and the moisture to come from the Naturale product, because my hair did not look like this when I did it with this and what I normally use. But here I can see the shine and the moisture and the definition all at once. So that really, I would give it a 5. The only reason I said 4.8 was because the smell is strong, and some people might not like how strong it is. It smells beautiful, it's just very powerful. So I don't know if some people don't like things that are so highly scented. So that's the only reason. But when it comes to like what it did to my hair, bomb. So if you guys have hair similar to mine, maybe even a bit more kinkier or even a bit like more loose, I think that this product would do a lot for you guys to give you moisture, especially in this cold winter. Everybody's hair gets dry around this time, so best just trust and believe that I'm trying to moisturize my hair as much as a lot of you guys might be trying to moisturize your hair in this cold weather. And I'm just gonna try to provide you guys with the best solutions for protecting your hair during this cold weather. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, a big thumbs up. Comment below if you would like to see something similar to this, and please share with your friends. Spread the word about this new YouTuber. And also, I would really appreciate it if you guys actually hit the bell down below as well, so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. I want to just apologize because of the noise in the background that you guys might hear, and because my voice might seem a little off just because I'm a bit sick. But other than that, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.